Hi, I'm Andy Rubin. I am in sales here at Wirecloth Manufacturers. A lot of times people reach out to us not knowing exactly what they're looking for, and that's where I come in. We'll work with them to try to figure out what exactly their needs are, what type of product they're looking for, what type of alloy, mesh size, opening, wire diameter, and then we'll walk them through the process, give them some options that are going to work for them, and then once we know that, we can run with it and get some pricing together for them, and then hopefully all looks good, we'll go into production and provide a final product for them. Here at Wirecloth Man, once an order comes in, we have to obviously work with many different groups here, from production to processing to my warehouse guys. Anything that needs to be questioned, or if we have any questions on any products, we'll obviously go down to the warehouse to speak to my production manager. If they have any questions, obviously I'm the person to go back to the customer and see exactly what they're looking for so that we can make sure that they get the correct product. So I grew up actually in a manufacturing background. My dad had a business that was manufacturing, so I have been around this my entire life, so it was a seamless fit coming to Wirecloth Man. I've been here now 11 years. Love the people I work with. I love being in front of people. I'm a people person. We have a crazy group of people from the front office all the way down to our warehouse, and then obviously our many locations around the country. Also like working with the vast different types of people customer-wise throughout the country. You just never know every day what you're going to be looking for, what you're going to be dealing with. Just getting to learn more about your actual customer. So I'm a people person, and you see it on your end here at Wirecloth Man, as well as obviously your customers around the country as well. So pretty cool. We understand you might have a lot of questions about wire mesh, and that's why you need to come to us, the Wirecloth Man, and talk to us, as we are the wire mesh experts. You can also check out our website or reach out to us directly.